Hi, my name is Amy Harden, and we're from Chesapeake, Virginia. Our family had windows just put into our house this past Saturday. I just want to say thank you to Justin McKenzie and his team who came in on Saturday after 2 days of very rainy weather. They were unable to install our windows, but came in on a Saturday and installed all four of our windows plus a huge window in the back. They look beautiful. The team was courteous. They talked us through it. They showed us how to use the windows, how to clean the windows when they were done. It was awesome. I'd also like to put a shout out to the man who came and sold us the windows. I can't remember his name for the life of me. I think it's Jerry, but I'm not sure. But he came and did a presentation that was so thorough that by the end of the presentation, if we had gone with any other company, we would have been crazy because it was so well done and it just taught us so much about how final windows are made and how they're installed and how important the installation is. And I just want to say 5 stars to him. He was awesome. He took great care of us. He gave us an estimate over a year ago, and then we had him come back because we were unable to. Our refi was very slow in coming back around, and he came back again and touched base with us again, and we finally got our windows ordered. And we couldn't be happier. We are so happy that we have made the decision on the day that Justin and his team was here that we're going to have other windows put in. And I just want to say thank you to Mr. Rogers Windows because you've got a great team going here. And yes, I would recommend your windows to anybody. And in fact, I mean, just the fact, I mean, yeah, we paid a little more for them, but you know what? I'm not going to even lose sleep over my windows anymore. So thank you very much, Mr. Rogers Windows. Thank you, and thank you to your team for doing a great job. Thank you.